the song I'm going to do for you is called "This Train is Bound for Glory," sometimes also known as "This Train." And no one really knows who wrote this piece. It's an American gospel tune, and it's been recorded many times. And one famous recording is by an African-American electric guitarist named Sister Rosetta Tharpe. Anybody remember Sister Rosetta Tharpe? Okay, so she did a recording back in the early 1950s, and is actually one of the forerunners for rock and roll music, if you can believe it or not. So if you've never heard of her, look her up on YouTube. She's amazing. So I chose this piece for two reasons. Obviously the religious context, but also what do we have in Newbery that goes through the... Yes, and what happens? It comes through town and then you can't get home because it stops on the tracks. You're trying to get to Country Way and it stops and you can't. But This Train is Bound for Glory is about a different train. It's about getting us home, getting us to glory, and seeing all those saints that we're celebrating today. So again, I hope you enjoy the Euphonium version of This Train is Bound for Glory, and I think I'm going to try to have maybe a duet going. I'm not sure if my nephew, Jackson, is... would you like to play this toy train?
Yeah.
While I'm playing this song? Okay, let's get up here. All right, so what I'm going to do is the test run it. I want to hear it. Blow on it. Louder. Okay, that's good. You might have to blow even louder, but what we'll do is, when I put my hand on your head, you blow it, okay? When I take my hand off, you stop, all right? You got it? Let's try it. Good. You want to try it? Blow it like this. We'll see. Taking a big gulp of air. Good, good. All right. All right, so let's see if we can get this going here. We did not rehearse this, so. Yeah, we just did. This is our rehearsal. Okay, Dave. Good, Yes, more. More.